Hi students, now we discuss the topic acid and base. In first, we discuss the introduction of acid and base. Acid is derived from Latin word acidus meaning sour and alkali is derived from Arabic word alquili meaning ashes of plants. And the modern definition of acid and base is discovered by Arrhenius and he receiving Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1903. In second one, we discuss the definition of acid and base. Acid, the simple definition of acid is donate the proton to other substance, and the best example of acid is acetic acid and water to form a H3O plus CH3COO minus ion. And the simple definition of base is accept the proton from acid, and the simple reaction between NH3 and H2O it gives NH4 plus OH minus ion. Now we discuss the different theories of acid and bases. According to Lewis concept of acid and base, acid is the electron pair acceptor and base is the electron pair donor. And best example of Lewis acid and base is the boron trifluoride and ammonia. According to Arrhenius concept of acid and base, acid is the to give H plus ion, and the best example of acid is HCl plus water, it gives H plus Cl minus, and base is the to give OH minus ion, and best example is NaOH plus H2O, it gives Na plus and OH minus. According to Bronsted and Lowry concept of acid and base, acid is the to donate the proton. The example is acetic acid and water to form H3O plus CH3COO minus ion, and base is the accept the proton. Best example is NH3 plus H2O, it gives NH4 plus OH minus ion. Now we discuss the pH range of acid and base. pH means potential of hydrogen. pH range of acid is 0 to 6.9. pH range of base is 7.1 to 14 and pH of neutral is 7. And we know that pH range is always 0 to 14 because concentration of hydronium ion is always 1 molar exceed. There are there are two common ways to measure pH. First one pH meter and second is litmus paper. In acid there is a blue litmus changes to red, and in base red litmus paper changes to blue. Now we discuss the properties of acid. Acid is corrosive in nature, good conductor of electricity. When acid react with metal to form hydrogen gas, sour tasting substance. Now we discuss the properties of base. pH is greater than 7 in aqueous condition conduct the electricity. Bitter tasting substance. Now we discuss HSAB principle means hard and soft acid and bases principle. When hard acid react with a hard base to form a stable complex. When soft acid react with soft base to form a stable complex. But hard acid react with a soft base to form unstable complex. In last one, we discuss the application of acid. Acetic acid is used as food preservative. Citric acid is used in orange juice, lemon juice. Also, acid is used in industry and laboratories. Now we discuss the application of base. NaOH is used in manufacturing of soap. Calcium hydroxide is used in manufacturing of bleaching powder. Ammonium hydroxide is used in laboratory and industrial purpose. Acid and base is used in industrial purpose like dyes, soap, paints, etc. Thank you.